Hello. Ui. Hello. Oh.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Ui. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Dark, final year MBBS student in Igmc Shimla. Today is just another day in my life, where I prefer to sleep for long hours, but responsibilities made me wake up early. But just like most of us, I am addicted to my phone, and before even brushing my teeth, I scroll all the social media apps that filled my brain with lots of useless information. To start my day, I need to get rid of this energy draining device. After doing my morning routine, I write down all the tasks I'm going to perform on this particular day. I recently incorporated this habit in my routine, and the value it has added in my life is commendable. After writing down the tasks, I make a lemon tea to start this refreshing day. And here I'm just giving you a lesson that things that looks classy doesn't mean they are good at that. So be ordinary but productive. So, this is the herbal tea my friend Caffeine has recommended me, and this is not sponsored. While drinking the tea, I will watch a video lecture of the topic that I am going to study. I will start with the tuberculosis. Here I am searching an integrated video over tuberculosis on YouTube. Here, this video is from PREPLADDER, where Dr. Apoor Mehra and Dr. Sonu Panwar explains tuberculosis from the aspects of orthopedics and microbiology. As a medical student, we need to know all the aspects of tuberculosis, as tuberculosis is a very notorious bacteria that will infect each and every organ of your body. And these integrated videos from PREPLADDER will provide you the information you will need to know from the aspects of every subject. And if you haven't watched these videos, I will provide you the YouTube link of these videos in the description down below. After stimulating my visual and auditory component, let's do some motor work. Let's make some notes. Here, I try to recall and put it down on my notepad, whatever I have understood from the video. Because of this active recall and visualization, the memory of this topic will condensed in my brain for longer duration. After finishing my morning tasks, let's get ready for the college. I know this place is heaven, but to reach OBS and gynae clinics, you need to walk around 3 kilometers daily. Because of the reason, the OBS and gynae clinics, popularly known as KNH, is at a different location from Igmc Shimla. Finally, I have reached labor room where tiny humans are being born. After struggling for the sleepers, I finally found a right pair because shoes are not allowed inside the labor room. Ever wondered why this room named as labor room? Maybe because here interns and medical students are being treated as labor. No, that's not right. I was just joking. It is because of the labor pains a pregnant woman is suffering just before the delivery of a baby human. Here we are filling these syringes from the injection rotavirine, which is an antispasmodic drug, and the plus point of this drug, it has no anticholinergic effect. While the other drug is velathamate bromide, which has an anticholinergic effect. These two drugs are used to enhance cervical dilation and its ripening, so as to facilitate the normal vaginal delivery.
मैं बताऊं इसका एक बार तरीका।
So here is a lesson for you to break an injection vial by just a click. You can use your key. We are labeling these injections so that we will not mix it up while using them. Now my curious mind wants to know how these injections are working in our body. What is the mechanism behind their action and where they can be used, and what are the side effects they pour on our body. One important injection I forgot to mention is Oxytocin, which is very frequently used during labor. It is a natural hormone present in our body. In low doses, it used to induce the labor and strengthen the labor contractions during childbirth. While after childbirth, we give it in high dose to control the uterine bleeding. As it induces rigorous contractions in the uterus, we also use it to induce an abortion. After having lunch, I came back to my room. Before getting some rest, I tried to finish the topics I have assigned myself in the morning. In morning, I have seen an integrated video of PREPLADDER that amazed me a lot how beautifully they connect two subjects. Actually, I was just waiting for these integrated lectures because according to me, this is the best approach to study in a medical college. I have just came to know that these integrated lectures are live on the PREPLADDER app. Let's see what is inside it. Oh, nice. PREPLADDER really did a great job. It seems they have covered most of the topic in an integrated fashion. Let's look at some videos. Let's just start from my favorite teacher, Dr. Deepak Marwa. To be honest, I really love this man. Because in lockdown period, he made me realize that medicine is so conceptual that if you study it in a right manner, all the concepts and facts will be on your tips. Well, this lecture video is about cardiovascular system, means the system that involves blood vessels and the heart. First of all, Dr. Sparsh Gupta is telling about how the disease of cardiovascular system are progressing and what are the changes they acquire in contrast to the normal structure. While Dr. Deepak Marwa is teaching the clinical aspects of cardiovascular system. That is, how will you diagnose the disease and how will you manage the disease. After watching this lecture, I have reviewed some more videos and I feel that this integrated approach from PREPLADDER will definitely help in clearing basic aspects of topic along with the clinical. And I must say, these videos are really time saving and will definitely going to help in revision. As all of the aspects of a topic is integrated in a single video, it means there is no need to refer multiple books or videos for the same topic. These integrated videos from PREPLADDER will definitely clear all doubts in one video, and this will help in improving academic performance. And this will definitely be a great help for NEET PG aspirants who want to learn more in less time. I think you all are familiar with the slogan of PREPLADDER, that is, Padho Utna Chahiye Jitna. After watching these videos, let's do some medical jargon. Here I'm reading multiple pregnancy. Means when a pregnant woman have 2 or more parasites in her womb. There can be dizygotic twins, means fertilization of 2 different ova on the same time. Or it can be monozygotic twins, that is fertilization of single ovum. And in monozygotic twins, there are multiple other possibilities that can occur. These possibilities are mainly depend on the time of division of the zygote. For example, if the division takes place within 72 hours after fertilization, the resulting embryos will have two separate placenta, chorions and amnions, popularly known as diamniotic dichorionic twins. While if the division takes place between the 4th and 8th day after the formation of inner cell mass, when chorion has already developed, diamniotic monochorionic twins develop. That means both of the fetus will survive on same placenta but have different amniotic cavity. I think that's enough of recording for today. Thank you for watching and appreciating my work.